Hello. You were awarded of an EMS prize for your work in elliptic regularity and in particular in Schroeder estimates for non-uniformity of elliptic equations.
Yes.
And today you gave a beautiful talk about non-uniformity elliptic Schroeder theory. And I will not ask you questions about the scientific part of the talk, but about how it is to be part of this big congress. Is it your first international important congress?
No, I had several international congresses, several large conferences, and okay, maybe not so big, okay. But yes, it's very nice, very nice experience.
And I would like to know, how did you prepare your talk, and what was your concerns when you were preparing it? My question is because in such a congress you have people not only from your field of mathematics, and you know that in the audience there we have mathematicians from other fields. So did you prepare differently this kind of a talk?
This is the most difficult part actually, when you have to explain your work to people that are maybe great experts but in different fields. So you need to, in some sense, relate what you've done to maybe some early, more classical, more simple problem. And let's say that the most difficult part is to explain what is your contribution in such a way that not only your colleagues, your co-authors understand, but also somebody that have never touched probably what you've done.
And did you have discussions with students or colleagues who are not exactly from your field and who were maybe discovered new things or related to their fields, or opened their mind about questions?
Discussion was a discussion among even among different fields is one of the core tools to make progress in mathematics. Therefore, yes, discussion with other experts is fundamental, absolutely.
Okay. And did you go during this congress to other fields talks too?
Yes. Well, to try to learn something, or at least to see what's going on at the frontiers of other fields.
And was it satisfying?
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay. So, do you think that this kind of events can be the start of new collaborations or new directions for your research, or?
Yeah, it is always a source of inspiration, so let's see what it comes.
Okay. During the opening ceremony of the Congress, so when the names of the laureates were announced, we had a surprise, but which didn't long a lot, because we had the feeling that there were many women among the laureates, but the alphabetical order that made the audience feel that it was a very, very feminine list of laureates, but in fact it was not. In your field, are there many women, or is it still very masculine?
Okay, this is in a sense a cultural heritage, in the sense that till now the amount of women is still less than the one of men, but still, as you already seen in this ceremony, and also in the fields, there are lots of women, very strong researchers that gives important contributions. So it is growing and growing.
Okay. And do you have the feeling when you see the students and the PhD students, do you have the feeling that there are more and more girls in your fields, for example, or not really?
Well, there are lots of very young and very promising female researchers that hopefully will be.
But for example, do you have the feeling that they are more numerous than when you were a student, or not really?
Well, it didn't pass too much time since I was a student, but what I saw is that still BA and master, the number is like 50-50, and the delta start enlarging at the PhD level. Okay. Because you know, trying a career in academia, it might be quite risky, so this might discourage
young ladies to do it. And would you like to say something to encourage them to do it?
Well, I would like to say that it's a beautiful career that gives lots of satisfaction, requires lots of efforts, lots of study, lots of discipline, but gives, again, lots of satisfaction, not only coming from awards, grants, but also from proving something that you thought was not there, was not a trick. Plus, you have the occasion of traveling a lot, to see the world, and keep contact with lots of people, so it is a very beautiful career.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks to you.
And congratulations again for your prize.
Thanks a lot.